In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with gold bars in Shadow 1. So what you need to do is head over to the Blue Balls boutique and talk to Herbert behind the desk. Now what you can do if you purchase something at his store, then you can purchase a variety of items, but also some gold bars. And these gold bars are very useful if you would like to make some extra money in game. So what you can do, you can purchase a gold bar for just 10k, and once you have purchased them, then you can head over to the pawn shop, which is located in front of the taco ticklers, and you can talk to the guy behind the desk. Now if you go inside and you can talk with Mick, then you can arrange some deals with him. So what we will do, we will offer our gold bars, and sometimes it works out, and if it doesn't work out, if you don't get the right price for these gold bars, then you can keep them and come back the next day. So you will do this till you have the right price. So what you will do is basically buy the gold bars and go to Mick and offer them to Mick. Now if you start the negotiation, then you will see that we can offer the gold bars. And as you can see, he is already offering us 30k, so that is a very good price. What you can do is even put some more money on it to get some extra money on his offer. So we will make a counter offer to him and then see what he says. Now as you can see, we can get 31.5k for 2 gold bars, which we bought for just 20k. So you will make 11.5k within a minute. So accept the offer and now you receive 31.5k. Very easy money, and you can keep doing this till you have enough money to invest in your own businesses. And that is how you make money with gold bars in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!